Okay, this is a micro and oven building. We have a problem. Look. Hear the noise. Just a minute. This is the noise. Okay. Here, open it, and after that we continue. Okay, I open these screws. There, and the other side. Now I open. I put in this inside. Okay, now we have power supply. This is cable. This is magneto. I check this magneto. I think I have a problem in this magneto. I'm order with AliExpress. Now I need to replace that. After that, I check if it's okay. Okay, after I put it out, look, this is the magneto, the old magneto. We have dirty. Brown in here. Okay, this is the old one. This is the new one from AliExpress. It's the same. Okay, now I install that, and after that I turn on. Okay, now after I replace the new one, let's test. Right.